आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello friends, welcome. The question states, O is the center of the circle. The area of the circle is 16 pi. So the total area is 16 pi. The area of the shaded region is less than 4 pi. So this shaded region is actually having area less than 4 pi and the angle subtended here is x degrees. Then we have quantity A, which is x, quantity B, which is 90. And it has been said quantity A is greater, quantity B is greater, the two quantities are equal, or the relationship cannot be determined from the information given in the four options for this particular question. Now, we know that the angle subtended at the center is directly proportional to the area. So I can say that angle at center is directly proportional to the area. Right, so also I can say that area enclosed. So the angle at the center is directly proportional to the area enclosed. For the entire circle, the area enclosed is going to be 306. The angle enclosed is going to be 360 degree, or the angle covered is at the center is 360 degree, and the area enclosed is given to us as 16 pi. So I can say that 360 degree is proportional to 16 pi. In the second case, where we have x degrees, right, and we have the quantity b as 90 degrees. So I can say that for 90 degree, the proportional area is going to be somewhat a, right? Now, if I'm going to divide both the equations, right? So if I'm going to divide both the equations, I'm going to get, so I'm going to divide them. So this proportionality sign is going to be come into equal to, because there has to be some constant k which is going to be cancelled out. So I can say that 360 by 90 degrees equals to 4. So 4 is equals to 16 pi by a. Or I can say that if we multiply both sides by a, I'm going to get 4a is equals to 16 pi, as the a in the denominator is cancelled out. Now if I divide both sides by 4, so this 4 and this 4 cancel out, and this is 16 and this 4 cancel out, and what remains is simply 4. So I can say that a is equals to 4 pi. That is it. Or I can say that 90 degree that we said it is proportional to a was actually proportional to 4 pi. But in the question we actually have that x, right? We have to find the value of x, but the condition is given that the area of the shaded region is less than 4 pi. So this is the shaded region which has a corresponding central angle of x degrees, but that is less than 4 pi. So if it is x degree, it is proportional to something, right? So I will call this value as a dash area, which is less than 4 pi. That simply means that x degrees is also less than 90 degrees. So I can conclude from here that x degrees is less than 90 degrees because the corresponding area is actually less than 4 pi, which is given to us in the question, right? And it was said that, or it is the concept that angle at center is directly proportional to the area enclosed in a particular circle. So x is less than 90 degree. So x is quantity A, 90 degree is quantity B. So our answer for this particular question is going to be option B, which is quantity B is greater. Because 90 degree is going to be greater than x, as it subtends greater area at the center. That is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।